We're here at the Powder Keg. They say this thing goes from 0 to 58 miles an hour right at the start. It blasts you off like crazy. This I've got to see for myself. Powder Keg is Silver Dollar City's longest roller coaster. It's just over 3,500 feet long and it costs $10 million to build. This coaster uses a system of compressed air to launch us from 0 to 53 miles an hour in just 2.8 seconds at the beginning of the ride. It tops off at about 64 miles per hour and has a 110-foot drop. Okay, let's go do this. If you are liking this video, be sure to hit the like button to let us know. We always love hearing from you. If you want to see more rides from Silver Dollar City, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a thing. Check out Grand Expedition next by clicking the link shown here. And until next time, be safe and remember, have fun, let's travel.